How to create Amazon account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create an Amazon account without phone number, you can use the email address or you can even sign in using your Google account. To do that, you can go ahead and click on the sign in option. So over here, to create a brand new account, tap on create account. Go ahead and fill out these fields. So in here, enter your first and last name, your mobile number or your email. Since we are not adding our mobile number, enter your email address that you currently use. Then create yourself a password and tap on verify email. After which, to your designated email address, you'll be sent an OTP code which you need to enter it right over here. After you have verified yourself, you'll be able to create your very own Amazon account without a phone number and with your email address. Wasn't this process easy? So we hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.